ina
I think kamba nyine reason nyingi but I would read very hard niyo kanta kaza gabiro 15 points ako nite ba pioneers ba 20 points baraka ari 25 itenito ba pioneers 20 points by then first term 15 second term 16 third term 17
improve
echiburi konka academically good academically superior atkikire senior 5 aho third term konka influence yaguma ya violence bankoshoninga senior 6 banyet senior 6 first term naho twagarika twakora ka strike kandi I don't know bakakarigirahi ataho bakirabye nyuma kandi aho gatari na part angari senior 6 ndibize konka kugira ngo abasire bari bagirese konka kugira ngo nyuma kandi violent bayanga gata
gagani
ekeri first term
right Bankore Media TV kandi ni Monday kaburijo nabanyita Beazini ZDJ Serebo wambara nimbacira nimbasimira kimwe mwibara bakusima binkuvugana mukasima interviews ezezinkwa ni exclusive kandi tuba turiyaha nyine nimba ntambwire na Asumani English of Savage behind the camera as the producer atakayebwa mwani witu mukuru orukutukora honorable DM Swaga English honorable Bataringa Ronald akwende ntebe ya mwizi sabo kaunte nga kansara kandi abantu ba mwizi omushija wanyu dyaho so bamuhereza ani turasimira kimwe buri mande echo nekora ekumireho kandi omanye erizoba nakoreteho already teruzeyo bikumukwata we tuganire munawe toye munawe at inspiring kandi atogese tugambire byayinira abantu be ntwatwine nko muntu yine cyakozereho ekikurebwa mwe bari mwonga taro kusisho bwire nyenda mbanjure kandi nyakire umugenyi witu weri izoba ubunkumanyo ni mangu nkakansara gaga cyaduka kansara nakwakira
ninge nashomererwa amazina ni Gaga Kachende is title just kansara title konka amazina genyini de Gaga Kachende go mazina ganje
Gaga Kachende twakwakira ari Nkore Media kandi ramusi yabarebi niwe byanjize na Beazini Serebo warurembo
Beazini Serebo wambara
yes
Beazini national Ramunonga hostinga program ya weji kandi aha talk show ya weji nimbanza ntwarogo mugisha kwakira abarebe bona na nabahurikiriza ntubakira Munonga kandi muturikize zaganira porampora nabagende Serebo wambara nanye nka kansara wanyu zo kwahaya na mporampora tuganira ashonga zitari zo mwe naki
ya nazimwe of course sati kumva nkwine ntubanza nti na introduction yo nkeri mizi na kansara chama ntumanisa ngutino mwebembezi w'abantu tutakagire hare first thing first Gaga Kachende nenzarwa yankashi
nyowe Gaga Kachende koko kumpurira ndiyo muhweju kandi ndiyo muhweju konka yinyimba cyakundeko mu banyankende
Gaga
Kachende konka ndiyo muhweju that's my clan kandi umunyankore Kashu ndiye nzaro ya Cyhunda Kagango Shema municipality kandi ndiyo Mushema district hihe ubukomoko bwitu bwa Greater Bushenyi niyo ndukomoka nangwe cyaro n'umuyenje kandi nyowe ndiyo mujekera wa Cyhunda ward aha municipality Mushema municipality nijekera Cyhunda ward so nyowe ndiyo ndikansara wa kansara LC4 Cyhunda ward Shema municipality ndumutano wa Badru Kachende mwebesa umushubuzi wa man uwo murimba rege konka kandi umukomogo yankaye yashema
ati chikwereka rumuno twirusya speed katujekera kuvekera abantu ibukoza ari bwo murimba ninga
nyowe kazarashema konka muzee wanje akana korom ya na yombekero mu Cleveland no habariyo mukaso twatuye no witkuno na no witkuri
nakuri
konka kashara mu kugira ngo bekere kai
abo wanya
cyara aho kayitwaza ma bishop twaturukubi akace kinakurireyo nkanye no wetago no kwegomba kugira ngo at least one day one time when I grow kindakure and I have the capacity na potential I should change home
at least tukahura ngo ine kuhindura homuka Gaga akazarwa muka kachenda kaine makasente mzee kachende ninga
nyowe ndukura ngashanga mzee ariyo mushobozi actually still a businessman kandi ariyo muhingi and my mom when hotelian in hotels Ishaka and Ushenyi. My father had a very big shop around Central Market actually. Hotel sibitwe beto gayishomero ushanga mbaro Central Market aho ejeje etashenyere ayo bashenyere then hinabanda I think hinaye bino bujo bwabo ndara bwa government.
Okay.
Abagumira so that side in Hotel turi opposite na bahose maho that's why
uba bafuro bakabatwara independent
akagumaho so he operated that shop nyondo kukora because nyondo kutanga P1 it was like 2003 2004 kashanga muzee ine duka ya stage ngiro muri Mbara twagikurira maho up to my entire education life tukakura so ndi mwana
kuri business
ko gati kumanye ko nagira nayi
okubara no kumanya
so ndi kumanya wakatana also I did hata nanye gani kashoye bya business
ako tada ko tatwara
that's the venture ingire
that's why ne kansara gaga orukutore bari mukore media kandi tuzaganiraho binjiho nkoko arabona tutebeza so ataho gaga intwari bukakurira Mbaro road do no basa kuba wabenoshikaho na shema ukakora hari bashuwe nkuru na abenkuru ba anti ukakora umwana yata painting direction umwana wiraro
nkakora in setting ya families mu Africa right now twine nuclear na extended family so nyonka kora mu extended family konkarita yaba nuclear surrounding yuto muri Chunda tukaturi ekayite keri composed of grandparents n'abazire ba auntie aba uncle bitu konga twikire bo buri yomo yagumana akora ki na yahagura bazakora abandi bashwera twasigara muturi ya ni actually siblings banje turo bashatu have 3 brothers so twakora hamwe twakora na kaka our mom was already umuyirivi yagire kwiruba my father was already umuyirivi Mbarara yagire kwiruba so shema kaguma muri yukiriya but extended family katwargayo parampora akanyo kinabe mpumara icyumure cya first term on primary first term twatuzo mu cyaro icyumure cya second term tugaruko mu cyaro icya third term tuzo mu town
kandi cyasa tamari
kugira ngo nicyo kiringa twatangiye na turi hi na muzee kandi turi kushoma icyuma wakana nango at least my father wanted his kari abana be y'umunonga bashome kandi they be among the topmost so akadi ngo kugira ngo twarga yishomero icyumure cyangwa takaza kuzengera
kujazo mu kiringo
that's why we could come in town umukaka Cleveland tukaterga Cleveland tushangomo mashomero around yo mu schoolinga during holidays so happy ni checho
ukashomona sasa
by that time nasara ko shangano dabura P1 mbiruni kesha P1C abani manyanti nyowe primary
gashomo kumusanya nkasoma baby class top class
manyo hatu berazi ito tujarabira hatu no P1 di manyanti P1 ndiza kwitegereza P1 was 2003 ahubwo hati nyonsheme P7 kajimara like 2009
P7
koma 2009 so
kabire
my father akatuya kandi kumanya muzee kana ndatushome akatuyambara there were good schools at international window the municipal but Kasho's boarding by that time ni habireri topmost area eri kukitera
on primary
level mu ihangariyon
Kasho's boarding
primary school no it is in Bushenyi iga Bushenyi cyamuhunga nkokwe Kigoma
kozi nimbura wowe around Bushenyi
right now kaje kizacendera but by our time rero they atwara twakora interview I was supposed to be in P2 bagira ngo grade this person start in P1 ati wagaruko P1 na atanika P1 Kasho's boarding mpaka myaka mshanziwana agitero ko Bushenyi and tell you brief about the story in primary. Changing from town setting kadagara ko village setting, it was very hard to adapt here. Teacher mu cyaro ayo reba buri kimwe cyindutse kara buri kimwe cyindutse yari but had here. Mzee yanywa na metron bante ko mdomtre by that time it was Rumumba. Batuguruminga twari bwana kajyana ka brother kanje kato. Is now a big man, is a lawyer akasharanga bari. So now kutichireyo bante ko mu Rumumba. By that time I didn't like education. You can kakuranta kude ibintu byo kuza kutezo mutwe. But my father emphasized biyanywa na batcha bantera kiboko yazini bakansubira kiboko. Okori minkira rone mo I was a stubborn student. I'm telling you. P1 yahwa twazom P2 primary level setting okora ndukukunda mpira kandi twatu inakashayika cyaho tukora butimu. I was passionate like ndukura even I wanted to be a footballer. Wakurukura no owo mpira ndo muntu w'mpira by then nyewe ndukura aho akare team zibirwe Arsenal Man Arsenal na Mani. My father is an Arsenal fan. Kwa kikire kuriya banywana bawo kushaka umushobora no influence kubakorera niyo n'abangro mu setting yaki ya Manchester. Kandi very you kumango mpira kandi nkunda bakata kwikiriza radio omushobora primary bakata kwikiriza radio obucheni webweboro na za Arsenal Premier. Metron no yaba ino radio kandi bero mpene kawe ino Metron ko shangani ndiga ahinga my baker ndio nyirikati ndari nanka na Metro Ferrechi akapira that time DJ Nestano yabaro Nesta Karvisa Nyarazide Nesta Karangira World Cup yarangira kiragwa Mani. I was ever there kandi ganom prep on the field. So that is it. That was my primary life and football was my hobby. So because I'm writing you from primary na twate kashoze gate itari de mnongo poti omunako omizano ko kide tukatorga ka breakfast tuzankawa akashayi kitka kumchuki zana rawo tukora butimo eshayona ngatira ndidate ninko amaguru yadra mchuki kana numkirazi breakfast kama za karere, lunch break za karere, evening break za karere. So here is your cancer abashema nikuyabira ridati atyo so twari tushinga arokabisabusha bwawe bukira kutangwa the area gaga koko wakare yabo ngo tigumanya inababwire ingo bamyantuburiya ahubwo ari bagari yakana bazeni baka smartphones zikataka by that time hona shiwe na nesumo kujikwaza 2003 2005 setting ya 2000 ronge keri tu analog keri yukuriye nyuma amana kunuya yarenga ukazo mbyaraho ati ko mbyaro kitira kumekari sira atorga kasongi asorondoza Ashog boarding primary school nkora gala P1 paka P7 ina mazere P7 being the best school actually when mzee vitakana tuendeza royale I excelled ina kora first grade and program P7 oronda mashomero kandi onzere entire school ndozere Montiera nganwa kama shomero kaneri yakana yambura chapa watuguruka kwa boronda ntare wedaronda chapa you choose ntare chapa good chance whether tsiza I excel banyito mwanya banyita ntare school so I had to join ntare for my O level so primary yaho that was on setting yachi ya high school na ntare school banyakira kandi dogo ngabaka cyende yata hamwe the system gandi yakina ganari byo mcharo nagarika ko niyo high school it was a single school bine kidorikini ko kumanya but go during twashanga abana bakashoze abinji bari ntare school iyo ntare ke booking akare abana bakashoze na namashomeraga gukora jagaga municipal abana bona ntoye bakora ki baza so twayishanga bibinji atmosphere yaba conducive nakakinga up very easy and fast so ntare life gere tikumanya ko yatambire it was automatic kuba iterewa cyanga yabaka songi Saturday there is an outing every Sunday there is an outing mukatubwa shama nana batikiriza tushora aki 12 usiradu ko tumuzeyindi yaha ko tubara yakora ki yaho bakaza yakatega restriction yo kudamutagaruka icyo mwana cyo namuza twatinde bisuma amabete bose bakoza neza tumuze
bire ibitwete bikora
box by that time MTN ke hangi ngo mashome akotero tumuze ibintu byabakubi akora ki but ntare taught me a lot ntare kashangana na serious
me by then I love the chapa even na first phase yani then Montiera was second phase
ukazanga serious yeah Chigezi but Chigezi kandi gihera
kesi was another set
by that time to Chigezi makobore era by that time ati kidi twikire ntare you couldn't bring a chapa spirit no akuba tukatoronga heads kari kwatagana diversion to tora they never meet at any time tora so then I hated chapa with all my heart.
I know.
Being entire raven. So to entire people are serious. Bashanga ngo bishomero ya president. President Tony Tine Kagame minister they are there. My even entire richo ino kumanya. Even binecho gombe chamba itansoba. Entire school old student. By then he was my MP. Ine myaka 14 bachukora soba meeting ninga meeting eriyoda tumwesi yabarwaho hata nanyonga ngambira bana nyenda kwa nkoko
MP wanjye
nyenda kwa eriyoda dogo ni MP wanjye ni muzambigire so it was an inspiration Chirigayo tanka mu cyaro people see as a student from Ntare you have to be different.
Ntare was shouting man
you have to be different. Na kurampara ni engaging in debate clubs, interact clubs, akaro clubs nyingi hariho na Red Cross nagumana intampora I matured very nagumana kashinga hapo nakura narugomo na hari stages tina adult na nyuma ya primary people infantry na youth adult hati youth yanjaho yatandukanye manonga I became sub senior 1 senior 2 senior 3 whatever ya very successful with the first grade first grade so ati ecyakora soro hataho aho wakora waje
barakubingireho nko mu orevo kufuna ngo space
ati Ntare I was very humble the fact that my father was near town kandi amuze akakuteka hose security agambera house cyawawe ati keep an eye on my son kandi ikindi I had my small brother and I had to be a role model mwerekeraho kugira ngo batakambinga
mukamujye mu classe mwe with your brother
akari ndironi
na najanto ukajabira mu kushoma
nako kubabira ko kubaza kuba mu gukari I had to fight hard kura mutarandabora akanshanga so nicho na akwateramo amuje yaziniya I was not big headed na maraje orev so
umukusoma kwa waho mu primary orevo uko banka involved mu bintu bya leadership
primary nkoko nagandira I was kandi stubborn mononga I was not involved in any political race tina inabire na class monitor
utabireba mu makuru
kandi umukapira
yotegeza ngo kwandiko mbayombe
na nabayombe bizimeka kanta bram konka high school gata kikana involving akache orevo involving mu club leaderships ezo nzona involving remu nabwo pashare no toilet ndazihire bwire konka kini kire at your level yo it was my this no politics ay najire
ntare
kini kira ati kena regretare kandi hati muzeyi yabirata ateta uriyo tambuye mutaho ati ndeni mari yahapura ngo yarabahari ati niteka kwiyama my choice kantire kitende another good schools in Kampala konka muzeyi yabwa hasi kumubira nkani siwo mutaho he didn't want me now to move in town again
so he didn't want you to go to
akata kwenda hati yagarika mu setting y'cyaro kandi hati yoko yati yasinitse
cyumaro bakajinyigamo no
hati bantu baravare college Bushenyi nagarika ina atandikire
also sounds actually
by that time agamashomero gara at private schools
amashomero tugahurira serious bare nganwa kimanyingabo
ngabo wa verso
ya
So that in 2013 I joined 2013 I joined the Erev naza nkahi barekore
waza vari
wamukira
hata
wamukirayo ishomero 80% ekere Erev then 20% ereche abindi naba aho siriya fight keshanga mabana nkabitano siriya sibye kuri nabana karunana Erev yona wajigita gaga bitana bishatu akari teasing barekore siriya 5 teasing ekere yo umwana wa bitano siriya 1 bakata mteasing
but mugenda
bakuru izana kibori cyanjye cyantare
ndantare
ndantare ndiye cyumpi nyoto kwa tubyo marayi bikaba abana bangira ngo ibyo ndi commentary
jakakana
bantere nko bansubora setting ya vare yakora ki yabendizo ati nareba ati vare ko twabo ikayo the prefects bakatarara mu dormitories bakabine cubicles zabo ati umwe after prep mwazo mu dom babaza mu cubiko yabo bakorara mu kabashatu speaker amanyanko na bagaganira the trip was different mu cubiko wagabine mu socket radio tv imegura mpira badabikira na kwata desimene
sino kozwa no kwata
bareba ibintu byakora ki byashobora so ya 5 first time nabona second time I wanted to adopt that right yo kugira ngo nanye mbe muntu zo mu cubiko nagira I have to emphasize myself kugira ngo naba political leader in this school and I also get that good life second time yo gutera burura
second time no mu burura
after second time tukarenga it was my first position actually umuraifu yawe nakuza kwesi eryahigura tuniza class mone daviniza ka speak niza ka head prefect
from primary
1 ndakabire serious read koga senior 5 niza ka head prefect and something was pushing me ndiko nakora ki baro mu cyubiko
kubano ndora aro mu
cyubiko na ndera good life ejo na nyanzu bamanye ngo I'm doing a good thing. I had to contest as a head prefect because very college was mixed. That we never have seen I was kana wire serebu nako bira banywani boy from Tare kana chini kana koraje by the way
mu class
mu class entire school life I've been doing better natova kinagira tinya Zimbabwe HP abana ngo twafuna
nguniwe
hati cyo turi kwizabaye barono ma HP no muyiza mushanga hinaro arikuba ariyo musini ya 6 arikuza kubarekura
ari munakuru
wari yakarye njoka abasiyona ari kumwanga hati mwewe niza mu setup yo kugira ngo guno muntu witse mwewe turenda rope kandi mwewe mwitaka akata garantia maja entare kabura buri kahungu ngewe niza kuhindura abana ngugaga biza ine passe no impress mine kongana byo biri nyuma iko zabantu nazo bizanzase kandi ndanze byanko mu because I was from Tare ibintu byona biri samusama ato kikavare hariyo entertainment hariyo good welfare akahunga tukantu yakuhinduramo and they needed that strong voice hata bana bakora setting baje hati gaga tujekere nkayi nganye mwana wayo kumeta maramaka baje hati wegeye nakaki yabire cancer hati tujekere nkasipi nkasipi hati kandi Mark was my friend like this Mark hati ya cancer is nkasipi gaga nanye na is nkasipi hati kandi mboza hiya kare reka mboza nkwereka mboza hiya hati mboza kuba esiona ya piga interest in gaga administration yagira hizi gaga izira akakaraga kugira ngo andi mampusinga isinde no by that time director akaime san wewe niwe abena taking in charge of the school kandi mwetama start anito mu office ye atana ko ishengereza ntareba na nomination form yawe don't show interest in that post
wende yina
akagambira dumene kangambire HM I have to contest at the benefit of contest don't cause chaos I will not ayina rero mu office timbagambire HM yanje kamutesi abana ngo gaga
unopposed
but by that time aba interest yaberekere na open to ngana wakayatindere kongo kumanya kajya mutware empapura za nomination abo kwenda kuva abo kushuba interest matayo teka empapura zanjye screened out barabya muri ana opposed yeba bakunaga hati ko banagire mukamutegereza administration yabo yakora ki handika notes board. These people have been screened no bayesimba aba screened out ukoba ikintu cyacyo ko heza twabika notes board y'abantu ba screening and nomination gaga screened out abana gutwahwa ntumwana wakireba ndumushayangurira abana ngutera karuru ntuendaga ate naga bana kubampagira kuri yananya hati just na backup I became high ngira ntayo niteka ko isimba nze I mobilized tukore strike abana tube karakasa bushesha batera it was the first strike by the way in very college ekitaka jega eberahori ovunga bat it was shanki 12 abana ngutukuri director terra police yamaze kurya arabikira omunanko twantugeta shade twantuje mu shade konke dining hall abana kubikiremo vunga abanaga batandika korwana bashoma police yatera muti ya gas abamwa abiki bakaru kuri yabo batini kamito turi mushonga zanyu batebera byado bicize bana batera tiya gas twashora ishomero twagaraka mu cyakare amazina go kubinga kaga atopris daga kana bawan daga school batakambira kama bambinga makwaro sininjira bajangu you must pay for the damages caused bajangu gaga tambinga tumutuma bazi okay bampandikira suspension letter konka yo kugarukana no muzira abandi batayi banje bari abakanyama banje the top fans aba bugakora ki baba exposure ati niyo nagambira muzeyi kina magambo atari batabinta mu ma businessmen they don't like anything ikiri kubakora cyangkaranya ningo kubihagaranya business yajaje yo gambire nyoko my mother was always here ngasho ngakeza yako my father do constitution office then we mama kariyo advice ebizubu byabambiga ninda kugariza twagarika yishomero bangira ngo ati bangira ngo ndete cement na kibikebyo and pay some money which was paid then hati bagarika batikaka kwakuruza bagira ngaga hati ryo mu second term bagira ushashubije kimwe fees yo mwaka agwa ntumanya ngo no garuko cyankana so kwenda kufana assurance yo kugira ngo tayacyankana shashura fees yo mwaka turakubinga fero karaki aho byatabuka muzera yatabuka ibyamunyiza muze yatera icyemo baganira. My father was friendly to the teachers and the administration of the school banyikirezo mu ishomero nagarikamo ukanashashuraho bike byasiskire atwikiraho twashuma twagenda mpora twapushinga senior 5 hati mentebe yakora yandema mentebe yabakoma na harabaho ndizo harabaho ikipe wabo barabizoho twagenda konka had my friend wakayo bwa nako bwa speaker nago Mario mwe na manyiram konka yakangumamo hata ujya nkarezaho ravu y'abantu kandi hati nareba nti I'm betraying the people who are behind me so nkanguma naho burkant ko nakabaho niyo nabe in front line kugira nta you have to change, you have to do, you have to mukorechi kandi n'ikimuri kije rero boti mayira ko nakure makoka chibike kandi nazomo konkana room inagire mu cyide cyagire keronda mu bariya nabiko bakachubuka chiburi ituwaza ndo baye the vibe senior 5 kini kiromo omunanka sabitamu at sabitamu and stay the truth avare college kini kirenyonka kwara I did some hard combination but ekegumere HDG stroke computer kushanga hati buri paper yone ineka naka lesson zina inga paper zina buri subject
actually ina
hati nkamba nyine lesson nyingi but I would read very hard nyonka ntakaza gabiro 15 points ako ni te ba pioneers ba 20 points baraka ari 25 itenito ba pioneers 20 points
by then
first term 15 second term 16 third term 17
improve
ekiburi konka academically good academically superior atkikire senior 5 aho third term konka influence yaguma ya violence bankoshoninga senior 6 banyet senior 6 first term naho twagarika twakora ka strike kandi I don't know bakarigirai ataho bakira byenyi bakana gatari na part angari senior 6 bize konka kugira abasire violence bagerese konka yangu makandi violence bayanga gaga ni ekeri first term ya senior 6 bambi bali no kwiza senior 5 tena gamba bakanya nyonti izoreza yovare I had to go to a nearby school ya Bishop Ogez
so senior
5 can't use when ekeri senior 6 first term maisa bakambinga senior 6 ngontizo aha kwiza kwenye
bakajya mu
ishomererine you cannot be part of I'm not tereterezo cyo kuno bakinyambire nagambira mukade yajya tunomanya ati let's change the school recommendation report ekeho violent student hari ya ananga masters report nanga remarks aho akandika area ikate ati nayo bukuza kuba report kitakunya but had 17 points kinakoze nagambira mukade let's change the school ati kinagambire muzei nti ishomerere ryatkawe atiyona you harmonize ya mam murengo wandete rishomero iryo kugira ngo orumuno okushoma
erindi ikiri
kikakiri yare yona mukade bizakora ndishomero mushenyi mukade yajya hatimo esho na mango yo kubomu yayo waza nkayo mutabona tuguma mu cyaro twaza vocation twaza plus 2 ini kire yo plus 2 high school ryaho iferi yavare kore ini kire bansha report by then it was Marion as the director ini kire yare report yanje
violence
yare it was okay with the marks with the points but
comment
hari akiyagire yatera headmaster wavari atahanye gagar munashoma headmaster togo adora bishobora rusye atahomanye gaje nayo mam twagenda nazishaka vocational school same day ndiyo mukurondisha mbere because that was the time ndiyo mukwiza deadline mene hoyo yo kwiza exam twazishaka vocational school ina tawrento mwishomero shomero kandi ingana ari in like gauge compound nari akashomero karasomero ntumani this is not my standard mukade nawe yamushobora yatera munywano wewe kana ashomesa ari yonza ati nyine mutano wanje yabo bishomero can you look for me school ogwogwe munywano akaru nashomesa Bishop Ogez yamugira ati mumpenyo mutware Bishop Ogez atuba reporter ndamurigise akiriya nishomero ryaki Godin atkonkanye mumpeni kumutwara mushaha namanyu bamugira ngo yemundekere nami yampa umushomesa ogwe niki muzika ya Tabashir yantendesa motoka tukatshirigisha kaho manyisha ka vocational yantendesa motoka twaza
Bishop Ogez
ndageta oje twagiromba oje in short form ndimara kumero yawe agaba rank abasista abana Bishop Ogez high school konkawo
kishomero ry'abakaturi
gaga gaga omugeti mushampo zaho tendagambira no gamba puranagamba na biti cyango baho gomana na is good twamushepinga kuruka to maintaining atkore max bit discipline kara willing to change come willing tunabona hitcha just okay ya bikambagambira ogwe patana gadi ana yantwire ngwabe na shwa zinga yivare kandi shashire mitwaro inshanju never by then Ogez kitikire keri kana na manana yajati shashura fizi yero shashura vare bakwe uniform mboktare mu room mukada kanye nawe sent shashura fizi nashumo mdemik abawa gati ya manyoba second time first time abara banyakiye Ogez yakaye ageze keri na kiboko akara okushaba akashesho no kushaba omwabe banagogez yakara ate chide cyabira
babaye ifuke orumuno
it is my last year atikini kirona harmonizing na bapore nazo mu sports kugira ngo akatari ikintu cyone kigidinga bize kashanga hanywa n'intaki n'abana n'abacyaki najya kanye kwatira ikitabo kanye kwatira ikitabo yaho saditama funa academy
obezi
kaporing so what is examination barabya mu report ngaga na kaporing ngwata shijo bukana taha yizo nagora n'ibizamahera
ayo
ati tiki za mu zai tiki za mu kan kafuna mujana waja gari chumera baitari yaza kinende itakigira ya kabiri
zone zivuga
zomo aho ndinga grupa ndiga chumera tabana mu tigi baba ni 3 weeks akubira ibyo kantab tune korachi joining abana bataye banje aho babaye babinjira mu mashomero twatseginya kabiri shoma history shoma za divinity tugmantu rehearsing and revising
nayikora makara
muri matubika it's briefing mire kugera n'abazire ati ngira ntashe mpango muzire umutuma ngo bagambira nyoko terra mukade ntada kandi ngatsana atubire ndinzira mukade ndiye mtuko ndakugambira atakambira imana wanyitana muzayinanye atukanyiza mukadaiza nyakira antwara
muzayisa
briefing ati nyoka ngambira atagambira headmaster ubwo mwana nyoti nkamureba atkonka nyamba I know is brilliant bikakoreraho exam ati nyo niza kushashura fine yawe bwego bibaye bantire akaporing banyekereza ngo garuko mbana kore exam abantu bagmambiza batari baye kaporing
bakwikiriza ko rero
bagmambiza n'abasirikare nyo bakoreza garachi ukore my good performance
ya
korachi kore exam mu
naka brayib
tokamanya akaba ngiza abandi
ari mu kaporing fine nico kashisha kishomero
kaporing kore kwizwa kaporing korachi kore exam tumara high school korachi
successful
these are you are among the best aho kaya batsira kai ni 18 18 points had 17 points HDG stroke
gazir maximum
minong kano janke nabire kan kuza government hat campus
campus wizawaza
campus nkanye nechiroto nyowe I had the dream to be a lawyer cyona yankore n'ibintu byaki
ya
history
divinity
so adikime yizere apply campus ni na apply ngire banyeta Raw was my first choice then human resource nk'ibindi nabigitera hati makere nyeta korachi pre-entry zara
korero
hati rero kuzagunanga makere yata ko banze sunsura mai mbere pre-entries yani byahita ate chumura cyazi nga 6 cyatiri kingi
wayo
yatara mucya cyora nakimara mucya
wayo bwa
bande therapeutic pre-entries raw pre-entries ndagira amatungo is the IGG of Uganda how is the white attorney general
hino bero man
ekini bayaye rero kama ngenga makumyabiri out of 100 the way the pass mark of 50 maze atkaturinde results zizanye nenkasati tuzirize no tubara baka display ngabara bro itoba tarare tubara
muru
maze atoyifa hata so I had to take the second choice ina be apply ngira kandi ngenda makerenya na I had applied for bachelor's of human resource management na the MOBS
na Makerere
ya University Business School na when business na Makerere but it is the business school ya MOBS that's how my political career so one of the politics zone zavuze MOBS
so tukina kansaragaga kandi uguno muzecherwa wa Chunda ward municipality ya Shema kandi niwe tunankora media that was brief story background of him rumuntu ija political ati ajata izina kansara kuza kwija ayiga atambikire political career yeye nyine niho turubona tuzedesha biri mu bigendo mu ihanga buri umwe nacereba that's why I can come up with a politician like this one kujanti we talk with them kandi nimwe mumanye kubakwataho bazagaruke nkumibirabiro na mukaga muwe mubinire porane nimwe
nito tubinire porane
uko sabe jarwa kamera kandi tugatwara kurundi university political career yawe watuja nkweru
kutandikira atahani zako I go believe
believe
hati kena za MOBS hatkina ikayo first year ataho mato argo mutamu za first mato azo mu first semester second semester hatkini kire mu bizaho nyiza ne dream political driven dream nirantata nyine kutandikira
yani ndonda wakarura
kani nyesima kajerasi wa human resource class nyesimba no mu chapter nyesimba no mu kina naboza babiri I beat them all
bono
batera akaroka yakari yake mukono bachi GRC in my first year tuzomugiri dikanso nyenda kwesimba bwananka bagira ngo first year are not allowed kwesimba bwachi speak keeping a low profile okay I'm still growing
ninza kwiza
kareza groups nyingi kwa university zona by involved by band assistant Kevin interact integrity beyond so now second year eating kuma yangani wa violence mkamba nyinechi kani padira FDC mpininyero wa guild
okana na FDC
I was a staunch supporter of FDC actually year 2 mpininyero yachi ya guild ashigaga GRS nyoti china wa GRS I want to be a guild bata campus bine parties NRM FDC I think FDC by then roho
ina mane
nzoro FDC party hata FDC nayo kandi mukamwe na kutera bururu wa primary
FDC ine yabandi
ine yabaye hati za opponent na wanyesimba hata bururu bwa campus bwo bagamba ngo sentence riyo bururu campus gati ne sentence ngandi kwenda karuru kachi FDC ndana kuja kuteka
kandi uri kuza kuriyo mukajeno
teramizenti nyenda byanaka nyenda bwa guild that it's okay atubwambo kuyamba tumwenda kasete ati ndazinga ndina milioni ibe ati de kare ati ndashashwa disho karu ati singa karu kazama kana akagiremo niruka head offices najya nankombe mobilizing aka center kana mobilizing by then
connected you to najana
connections gazo raho tukadiriye mu kibine nyuma nyuma kare mushahara ari kuhedinga FDC lead to bakama batabya amagisha nato nachesimbo mu FDC akuma natwara mu connection naho uri amuri aka center nanyuma nyiri aka center nyisimba na munywano wanje go opponent mu FDC antere kigo akaronka rozing Lume ya girde karachi
rozinga
ngiri ya girde bante mu primaries kuri ayana re makariyo yafune support so harmonizing as tamanogo yansingire ngira ntawe support you but after winning position enda kwareshi enda byanyenda it's okay tumhagira support yone ina yenyine nigitekari yori FDC versus NRM twenda karo ka guild mombis umwana kwarachi araba and I was so much in campaigning by kini chome ya tu I had a say at campus makere yona moves yona kandi ngivuga kugira ngo everybody was believing in me ekiburi by the moment ko kore ekiburi kikuragamo but by then nyonkanyi muka even in front of the lecture no muteridu ntwena tubire paper muteridu nguri cyecho nganda wafe budget so I had favor singa karuru kyasingira karuru mwana hata mu onare kurire ndavuganye na yararem niza hata mukwiruka hata instamana abana banye hata twariye ingoma hata nzenka hatize abana nguzabo ya treasure finance bwa kazani nyiruka ngiribenti nyoteka atugagano yati kwati nyoni teka hodi nkare pande ptenak yirda atini bayne kora opposite sex tumshoga yanyefura ya kweli hindukana ati konkabaya nkakora maris bad politics akora nkakora nkani kagamba kubari opponent it was something I did and I regret I spreading ratio of tribes abiri nache nekebi and it caused me trouble bangira ngo gage iki yakoze reki during campaigns don't insert in any what leadership position a campus ko kanyonga mbere mwana ntuwatampire post kuna kureko should be me the guild you have to put me atigaga hata na manya this post zone abantu mamba kureba atikamfuteka bwa security minister konka for you will be among the top most here ndo mwana tukora chumwe it's okay no gwana wana mugiri chemba it's okay apo bwa security stera iya 3 hati kitagire no kurekura tukagereka twarona n'umwana w'ibitwa arkwenda tujekera twaza nkatugire nawe yasinga natwagira campus twagarika twarodo ndizo nawe yaba no yabagira
ngano renteze no kuwa beno ziruzinga.
So I was losing it. I don't know how unfortunate I was. Hati kina campus yo but towards 2018 aho ndukuza kumara campus ito shema yito kwa ahinkurga our home tukatwine Shema district bataka kozere municipality.
Atakagire mji wa
municipality hati by that time in 2018 ndio final year ya campus nanka local government creating a municipalities in hoza ntunga mazakore shaka municipality za Shema municipality ni tutwarachi staham hati watu ha district ite nanyengaba mugishagu kwatero municipality Caribas creating the what bajya Shema kufuna leader
nyinete ko kufuna leader
immediate bazakaza 7 months kandi narganta actually primaries overuru bwa primaries bakabuterandika ya campus on final exam
utakagira mshara
naboreka hati general bwanshanga namazere ndinye simu
otindo
byaye ngumshawo wa marakushoma ntangaruka tumeka cyende niza ninyende nte ngo we cannot kata kumanyo mu cyaro but I had mission to lead my people and represent them to be a voice na janti nyine kwesimba nayisimba niza independent hari anateka home mpira action take home mpira immediately nikaningambira abantu buri cyaro cyo tournament world tournament sponsor by Kachende gaga tournament atambara foot soldier atambara ekaka by the way ahinkorga municipality yone ecyanga cy'injecera nicyo kikusinga y'abantu.
I thought you were a youth cancer.
I'm not a youth cancer. Hati bakorera kakoba ward ngo cancer wakakoba ward hati kuriya ninye cancer wa Chunda ward I'm not a youth cancer nikanta kwenda use aho kankani ndana
kano ndabona bakwa
kama niyo abadona kudunya naba ninyetekera n'imirimo kiro mature politics nizero mature politics hati ekinte kigumerede ya zino politics no ku setting ya setting neki ekinte kigumere no kwizemo nange independent ningo mu opposition
kini naho
kwa karonda ngiranti nyekwasa ntini ndiga kunu bime nara yimuko kandi wowe kandi umwana wanyu dishomere
yowa
abantu bakakasa nguko tashwire nk'umwana wa nterahanga nte imwe bashomere bible Jesus Christ akabaki akareba umwana wo kureberaho akatine bicha Ntukonka with time yoni zakushora ndawugete family ndata mugete representative verewera tumobakaro kakasaba akazi bakuru kakasaba nyineka kakasaba
abana basigera umdirana bazaza
yatomwana wanyu yakora ki
yija
abana minyeto yongere kurira tournament yewe no nkoroko ntambura mbaze ntigamwe tunabempe kekaye muntu kandi ranti nyono banyitaga gakacene enzarwa ya Chunda umwana wanyu nashoma namara niza kubajwekera nti esra ngira amashanyarazi amizi dodo manifesto yanjye yazikiriya and board abantu banyesiga konkompane takaye namani akayine flaga ayine bendera ariyo muntu was akayine institute by then akari tutor arina director w'ishomero
atwiraho nibo mmanyi
kandi ikindi nawe yasingire on primaries nawe yagaruka kandi yagaruka turi ku rwacaro cyumwe RCM so targero si wakana gaka kuri itutu rya RCM
ubururu bwa RSO wanyu
twaba bayidinga twabagana konkana tiko bold and stiff competition akansinso bururu bibiri we had like 1,000 voters 1,000 plus voters konka difference yogwe by then ayansingire 2018 moreover being congratulated akansinsa 200 votes I tried karuru kansinga akasete kona kinawe nyine ko riro mfiro dawa bagende kona kakora
kagumu kari
nagaraka cyaro nastam nagarako wamuze kuchapana
musije n'umutauno
kasa n'imyaka yagesha konka kandi I didn't forget my people much fair wrong manizayo ikigo nkezo I took part tena however much my stay was in Barara nagumaniza yo mu cyaro every weekend nko nayo empira nkeje supportinga
mu Christmas ya makanisa
Christmas yandi hatege kanisa yo kabampane bara
yeah
gona ndabyama start chango ndabyamuka cya muntu yafero murikaho oyamba kuko kuyamba hata karuka 2021 gakora
kisha aka covid
aka covid aka covid hata zikaga antamera ati nyebuza buri akansi
bakakusenga gakorwa mu
2018 babe bakana korwa reka kudiscourage kana tiyene kana kwino gadagana kwese
singa korwa kare
mature politics basinga gumwe hati ngira nti 2021 basinga kai bana bani sense of society that we must come ngambira bamwe people encouraged me out bagira grand contest hati mistakes zo nagina nkoze mu karoburi kagenda nyine answer achenga nagenda nakora political mobilization yanje nakora nafuna teams nafuna political assistant bemanya nafuna border twatambure cyane amutering yo kana akaruru and ohiro hecho akarimo bururo bundi hadi buri cyanga cyo nakikantera akaruru twatiriye mu covid but I had influence kugira ngo makana yese imbere and people knew
and in munamani garaba
by then honorable Katesh ngo yaba yese imbere na Eliod I was on team Katesh yanyeta he knew my strategy tukashita matwaganira na mushobora strategy zanjye nyine zo kusinga karuru na neze na mhahonche nagira nti na niwe bwokiro musya kandi you want me to partner with you, I'm willing to partner with you. You can also approach and use such tactics. You're a good man. In a way I'm promising a support where it necessitates. Na inagira nti awenda support ahora akoresha ahora ageta. So yanyamba nakoresha namyamba nkamba niyo mukaruru ka Katesh ngarika nzo mukanje. Katesh was by then akana he was the niwe yagira mbizi n'ibyo kwa barya Katesh zari kachene
akaruhisha nyarazi
akaruhisha twaronda karuka Katesh twakora strategies akaru twakasinga hati nyondi kwese mba mukaroro he did for me a fundamental akankorera ibintu by'amani fundamental things ebyandite nasinga karo because chunda tukatine miss na patterning with him na ikondo zono zo muchunda twazikora
mazikora
every sale
okuza ho ukemerera umfrontline
kanyemerera umfrontline kandi mukora project ntabantu bahamize nti bakwa karo emigereke fi yampa carvats na nyinyi kama na ganje I mobilized with my friends na I have a brother who is a smart lawyer bametaka shabaranga na akora na bya mugisha Gabriel and company advocates ya twapataninga hamwe with my dad twakora urubuto rw'umuka mpaka main twarushuka maram as a family na iruka abantu nti I'm capable and I'm going to work for them because it witu nyowo witakata kagaga amashanyarazi there is some president of the municipality akabugira akiza chunda achaya yagira tkonkeje ni chunda eyimpura atikanosha ngondo Kongo atubwira hati ngura chikondo cyone so I advocated on such small matters and easy twateka kinkagire ko kayi n'iki twakora enguto twayesero za pipes amashanyarazi bukondo nubwe byiza by that time na outshininga incumbent kandi hati ngiye mu NRM Domini zaka
hati mu NRM this word
yakwereka poster yanjye niko giuka abantu batero hawo poster yanjye ya 2021 oberekene ya 2018 iyo mpira na ya bas hati yachi ya bas vuma zo primaries nka on primary I can assure you people can't you by the 2021 I was still young kanyi ni miaka like 24 25 yakuwa ndiyo za 27 zanje kandi yo mwana but very sharp na I beat my opponent nkanyine twaturi babiri primaries kasinsa opponent wanje kamusinsa 90%. Nkami no burunka 18 I know burunka bishata I'm telling you karaga na honorable on primary na honorable
ejo range yo yonkana na twazo mu general
people supported me and my mission my dream was to represent those people of Chunda. Hati abantu batina kwenye Simba homa hati wabina kwenye Simba hata mani yankai mukaro mngiya kanje hati ngatwara Katesha. I had no opponent to ndakaro Katesha hata riya saidi na Katesha riya karuruma nyasinge Elioda Elioda primary Elioda na agaruka na Katesha garuka hati Katesha ine fraga kachende nyine fraga nyeweti nyine opponent Katesha riya ya declaring na agaruka ati Katesha nyangambira hona rebat hati oronda kanje. I was a political front commander wakaruka Katesha. I mobilized 70% of the youth akaruruka honorable Katesha and I was very proud. Nkani brani nchemero amukora munonga that I'm leading a rebellion, a revolution to change because it honorable Europe they had led us for 20 years but we were yearning for change. Nyonga kora MP
see something
so can you create something new at no we are it's okay but I wanted to see something new. So I was yearning it.
Wait, Katesha wa Murugamo?
No, kuna na Murugamo. By that time, I was yearning for change. Can't carry back. You see, we are grown ups of the NRM. What? There are some people who are yearning change. They take on the way out, but there is someone who can at least they government. Like me. Me, I support 100% MK. Mhoziki Nergaba, ni support and hati. Hati ndio hakuisimbo hanyo. Actually, I mean, I support the Museveni Mzee, our His Excellency,
because he is the party leader.
He is the party leader, but I'm a strong supporter of PRU because I yearn for change. Hata was yearning for change. Ndio ndaka Katesha karo.
Katesha.
Hati timeria nyesimba. Bapanga ho monto. Ba supporting katwesimbiro. Kubani ya haras day ano yuko the nomination. Ngo mshaya pinga nomination form. Tena rebe banteka homo that's okay. Atiyo tatina. Atiri timpige musinga. Atiyo gumza wakaruga ati nanyiniza guma. Twika chuna niza guma ningamba. Ati niyo tambara kanje.
Katesha na Kachendi.
Katesha Kachendi. Hati Simba homo ntude wa kamperia. Ateka wamani freedom ina nyine buri atukize chendeza wakati kandi impact nyene ntati ngarike nkore bingi yangu ararengo hata now I am the real person to lead tamani ngateka health centers by then we were in COVID Katesha banda twanka traders zabantu zemicheri na food support our people so nanzirikiza nkahe nzirikiza Chundo awawe abantu tubahemere boda stages tuba supportinga akatire equipment za health centers gloves nachi tukora chuma abantu basima by then COVID akaretu karonda karoro izo ariftira karoro abwanti niwe abandize Katesha agarika correct arabo hata yadamana bwana nizagatenka kai zagateka wanje I'm telling you me even in the village I was campaigning with Kanye neza V8 zikurwa Katesha he even supported me with Hama Hama yarwatamo urugutero wa Chunda na Redonda Karuru. I was really I had the people I had the support kanye na nachi na capacity Karuna akorachi kama atoraje ogasa in the ya NRM akaruna arabaho Katesha yarabaho. That was 2021 I became honorable. And I'm telling you, the regime we are in right the regime now. I'm representing mature politics. I'm not playing the youth politics. Ninga politics that I'm in mature politics. I'm representing a whole world at the municipal so nzomo council nichiro mu council nyenda kuba speaker okabantu inabitu kushanga 70% of the people bakagaruka bagira ngo ati whatever you have just joined don't just without contesting speaker they have not known it will be hard for you to mobilize and it's okay.
Course tukiri hamwe hano ya Arinkore Media kandi tukine kansara gaga rukwebembera abantu ba Chunda ward muri Shema municipality wa Katesha kandi ninjiro muno garuka
Nake ukesimba na wawisimbere kumweno isimba mpaka and on a big and better position
ningo ohendero yesimbira ari mukama wawe
amkami ati niza kwizakamea wa division tinga kansa.
Okay, so watire bekintecho so tuja tukareba uko ine manifesto yawe rukwesimba manifesto yawe ejo sofa ombente biwawe inemu o achivindire ho bikwingana ki kandi oyerekerire no tamu yakwa nebikuba byahwire yo ninga ninge sento mukansote zikurugaye
ati no ya manifesto manero wide manero wide neri nyingi but nogeza ho munongo rwana nicara abase kandi no rwana kuramba at least wachivinga ho bice niba byinji manifesto ari byo kubaraganise kai abantu at like now at nyongo ko ratinga if I'm to rate myself kugira ngo I'm perfect or I have done perfect to the best time nikamazire yo ni mugambo kamara no kukangereza ati nandi yo kugambira like yo ekigendero cyane cyo kwesimba my mission was change home kanyonga witu kikati gicha deep katwine nguto na fida road skazi fie elesa center hanga katwiri na utwine elesa center it was down tuka drainage katwine ruiza horoko connecting roko chunda to Rampara. The bridge was down. We had security abantu matungo akamba gibira chumwe that the thing that pushing that in a position in afune I would fight hard kurambona ko change abantu babaje baganyuramo ati bakurabiro bikibe na twakoze rokaje buri cyaro cyona before we started our political year that was 2021 kabingo shwanga abantu amazing provision yamizi yakorachi yayongera bohol zifire partnering with the honorable MP was kora then arochang ehejanga yine drainage system yamizi na sewage ifire avundi yanga armukara hama muyenje myself they are down but at least on the we have put caravans in those areas drainage yamizi ngakora kingaramu tigaje furadinga mu nguru to other health centers antuka twine kintu cyabasha kuganya mu kanso kanyenera na kireta extension twagira ngo let the district employ more people bachaminati abantu babashaho batuhereza abandi abashaho mu health center yitu yacunda ebintu ni byingi bizire tukore ibintu byingi security abantu bakamba bira amatungo I partnered with the RDC at the same time with the OC police station and the GPC twakora meeting twagira ngo at least bakore village security teams maintaining amatungo y'abantu obushuma bwiza mukora obushuma bwiza mbukendera then our whole government programs as we are within my town our more use livelihood program kajireta chumba some use benefited some use kazi handika zimeza afana boda izindi ba supporting with fund aka harimo emyoga sakozi abantu bakora sakozi say government ya tamusente abantu twaba pushinga twaba mobilizinga twazo mu group seje
abo wawe tebaranyatuje kuzigara ingobwire bwo kuzigara
bokufuna sente nshashura yabo it was not good konkaba cyabashishire bakirumbaganyiramo the people would faulted we are what kicked out of the project okarinja baganyiramo nati bakikora cye baganyiramo so after yoga twazari akiriyo yizo program parish government mod na wetu astama cyaro bashomesa abantu bagengeramo people have benefited
mubyarwe bende byo kora mu nyongora bine complaint kugira ngo PDM neza ombanta batakire kugifu
PDM those were discrepancies zizere na PDM nora project yayo neizana discrepancies nyingi hati nka eshin kugana nka Israel program ekeriye minyeto so abinge minyeto bakakora ako eketana kana ba youth leader bache persons ba bakakora ghost groups nyingi bagabira groups za intishimekman practice hati government yeke kumara kutuma starting ikintu cyecho jene phasing out nuts you know the people that are doing nuts abantu bakaba projects babahanze bakora bazibye so projects zimwe abantu bazikwatishaga zimwe bazakira abo kuzikwataje ndayikonjide ari project y'abacyara ya women empowerment scheme nayo abacyara tuba empowering mu Chunda. Most women have benefited to Mastercard Foundation project yemwe to kugira ngo bafaro Destiny Security and Secured Loans na gutya zireta Chunda partnering with my leader ko bazeta Chunda into yaganiramo I'm telling you at right now that stand I want to initiate some project here Chida kugirango we put some investment abantu bakoresha abantu ito bakwebaza take maka center and bizebeguze and they support their businesses those are co-curriculum and the empowerment work scheme. Man, my purpose was like, as a counselor, my target was because I'm a counselor and I be the voice for what? For my people. Yeah, for my people. Can be enshongeza abizo afite sana zana tutanaka omukanso because ito mukanso the main issue is about budgeting. Koko tukuma tukora budget like now me I sit on the works committee. Nani ndeba nkurubuto rwa Chunda from Kabwe Chunda rutakozere rukwere for all the years. Nimbanyine kureta kazo mukanso karaki karha position kajya tumuteka mu urubuto rwa Chunda kandi ntireme nguto nyinshi ati so works committee barumbazwa because hata nawe nguto zikazirinche twazo wayideninga financial yeje hwiremo kuzengu tompango twatkamkarvats twakora bridges ejeje muri leta meje ayetanije kwa mushana umuntu za kushuka maramu tugarike tegeze buri kamwe kwana by 2026 niza kwanti no open kuzi niza kubanko zire nyowenkanye niza kubanko zire chango ahabatanyine nenguto herese center herese status ya Chunda nentunguka niza kubanko zire chi kandi at least I have kide abantu bine kusima I have tried hard. I attend council meetings nizayo attending ngambe y'abantu bakarachi bantuma so mbere nikora I was involving myself in budgeting kurangwe icyanga cyanje cy'injureche kirimo budget kandi bagereza sente za karachi abantu bakwetaga. Number 2 they influence government programs kugirango hahiza PDM tugenda base achanga tushomesa abantu bejumbira mu kintu
project
influence government program
kandi neganye ne yaba target ya PDM ne yabora bari
kandi ben kora kamandi kugira ngo at least nora muntu technical team nka yari headmaster w'ishomero ya government bunana college konka we bakuretera complaints abantu abaturage iwe noza kugenda kaida intervene the headmaster mu girote wateki neki ba irwaro ba abashaba batakwizaho abantu bakugana tukuza irwaro tushaka bashaka you will intervene as a leader giving commands ichakari ine kushanga bashaka. I have done that monitoring government programs enguto ko embashara I will go there and supervise the assurance that system my area ya centers are located to my area zakora kandi n'abantu abajya bazakora bavuga and the last thing I have been implementing government programs cyone kimenyekeye mu government cyo kuganira abantu banje mbeni ikiyayo kuri yanki twara abantu bashobora kandi bakijundira baganira so that's the best at least if you are rate me around in the 100 out of 100
so kasaragaga kozere kandi bamwongere kandi ati
we are not corrupt.
You're not corrupt. You are not corrupt yet. Ugandans are planning they can't cause Ugandans. Some of the Ugandans they are planning to demonstrate or rather demonstrated demonstration march to parliament corruption right honorable speaker to be out of the seat because of corruption. And actually in the social media, it was it today? Yesterday, they
are saying on Wednesday.
Something like that. So, Twareban Turang corruption, Nana, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, day by day, speeches, they Turan over the corruption here, and who could do once. It took corruption in it. ari umuntu ari gukora kuja ati nyuko nibagamba corruption nyuko ninkora aduka yanje ziba kureta kaze y'ibikira.
Now you see corruption ariyo mbika and there is no way you will say that a leader yaba corrupt abo kugira ngo yanguze. Most people actually take it kugira ngo corruption no kuvuze center zo muhiwachi umushoro but generally it has a bigger picture echecho cyenyine but corruption it is a bigger thing. Let me first what is corruption? Corruption is abuse of public office. It's abuse of public office for private gains. Bakwa office iwe nkomuntu yo wajikosa kugira ngo eganyoro ki ne y'abantu baganyurwemo kare kanye nka MP bakuronda ngo jo ikereki abantu bakwa office ejo umwanya go kushakira abantu washakira ki ibibonga yacu. That is corruption, using public office for private gains. People use adikechwa gamba swindling the government money kugira ngo abantu barisa use swindling money bagira ngo ruguto norokora embarrassed norokora this is Rugazi Street norokora Rugazi bakwa 5 billion ni mwazi take on budget kumamara kustake on budget government ya allocate yazba yasinikira site
gato kozesa example y'urutindo rwa Katete akubejesha ni rwo rwa mashanyarazi.
So before we go to the Katete bridge nanye namane mbane I show you forms of corruption. Okay. Corruption including a bribery. There is no asaba na ndomoro tiko yana corruption tugire birombo yemeza basaba na ndomoro rugwenda district uri kureba ngo iwo kuza kufuna umurimo urugendo wa town clerk ninga chairman service commission ujyo tinyoni beyazi no geta ka praise ukahaje town clerk ningo gomo bakoresha yo wenka you what you corrupt no promoting corruption. That's bribery. You are bribing someone. And another form of corruption is nepotism. Shanga nka yuwe hatwa twatulia chomoro ati uri umusalamu ningo uri no munyankore uri no muganda atujota let's konga beyazini wabonire nikatwivaringe beyazini oreta se over others. That's also corruption. Kashatu influence peddling beyazini bakwatuyire bakwirisyo muchome kubagwirisyo muchome otinyuwenye no muntu nyuwenye gamba no leta gamba no you call someone hero nyondi serebo wambara bankoma
ati bankwatira tfuni
corruption corruption is not good nanaga bichi tekira ndetorozo konkani nkrwana ho migranti at least ni porampor. So influence peddling a form of corruption.
Okay.
Another thing to the safety of public funds you need to gamba watu wa atleta rubuto bakatete.
Okay, urugendo rwa Katete.
At now according to my research naka council we are in a city. We are in a city council. For us to be municipal, to a municipal council. Had city council okay ashtamire ya himbiza urugendo rwa Katete. Ruona engineer ya rukorachi quotation to the BO choose Bureau of Quantities. Ya yangu urugendo ngo itaga 5 billion. That was the one in Arabia Korachi bahimbiza kugira supplementary budget ya
ibabe barabya.
So ejo 5 billion
president yasharize.
I don't know. AJU president yasharza. So ezo sende kuzizire 5 billion. We expected kugira work done was from underground. Kugira ngo ritindo regahans because this is a long term watch. This is a long term investment. Echo oritindo to gavumano kora repay oritindo every month. So government ne hayo electric kat kore kintu chikoyo okagera yananga wazit kagera okatonga bridge eje abomba kirano we have to divert semba kore weno Rwera. So the government had invested in that bridge. Why would I set it as zero? But it had sustained the year. You can't tell me so now
actually nanoko River Nile Pakwach there is a bridge wakajira ngurukombe kwa 1950
you see. So we expect to get 5 billion when allocated to Rajwan. We expect we are going to know mwaro mbeko nabara bituraza ritu abana bakushaka.
But
surprisingly on a sad note they allocate this 5 billion to the council mwabagisha bakizubaha mayor akwatagana na engineer akwatagana na planner akwatagana na procurement officer bakwatagana na contractor corruption idandikira ahari procurement procuring the contractor uwenga anateka mechitu ogu contractor akwata na wabanza haweze then imwe political head muzwa contractor tutemereze 5 billion doshanga tuyo 1.5 billion muzwa contractor yin atoshanga bizari kwenda kupanga aliya show the work na agira ati ahiya mpako baza obushawo 20 bwa simini na nateka obushawo so it will be show the work na kwati abashoye kandi shabeka ngo iki yakikora but it won't last. That is what corruption of public funds and the form of what corruption to in a fraud yokuwa kwiza okay ukafera fraud it's also what corruption kukuwa kuzita kama nankaji yenkwatana to in a forgery the moment what are qualified kugira ngo moro kwanganye nyokanza na saroda papura nayo that's corruption twine nanka when you carry financial or property loss katubarengu kumushango omuntu yawe no mushango state atone nana sharo mushango ni hapo na government konkati yo nyeno oreba state ndapi government and the year of kadewanje mtana za ko kadisha you are causing loss to the government oshanga government ya yambe kirirwaro kuko muti ya claiming atita kaniryange biwara bo wa state ya atita kaniryo irwaro wari twara baba yombe kire eferwa sente byona biti so that is causing loss to the government. That is what corruption also. False accounting in a public office through financial year government is external auditor is on public offices to do accounting and auditing kuba kwikayo bakaho bagira kupata icyanga kwata yakacyaje turabizo ibintu byoro giye mu gice. That's corruption. So we are all corrupt. Before you throw a story to your leader, you banzo rero mutuma are you corrupt? Before you march twice, before you march parliament, banzo rero muka anabana no family rushangana family head is corrupt. Abana mwe na twaro mbashobera gebe bana akora ki nagira tasiga bakushobera mugebe abiki gender balance bure abiki ne baranga se chamani barza
arono mwebembeze umwatize mu corruption netandekera abateze bakaru kutukayo batushabaruku.
So I'm telling you hata na nyowe na maremi yake serving as a counselor of the whole at the municipal level. People expect me because when I reach home and I reach a training centers, the only welcome message is kansara watayoki
obuwiza twari na
nyoka warajya hayo cyagindi smooth. So hata na nyarubi force kugira ngo isindo samane. Sometimes actually we force people to be corrupt. Can achieve when we are coming to look for votes to have many gambler one that singa akaruko na karabest on what
jonkani nekeni nawe yakigambe cyo
akaruko na karabest on money omoro that singa because now I'm telling you abantu bono mundi nakwereka kuza kurwo muka uzafitera karunyo naganyura muki ni komuka echa muntu cyakubanza kugambera no kugira ngo iwe ori yampiro monyo yuwansigira kisabone. So sometimes voters gonga but we force gabo corrupt bobo ngabariki corrupt. So and it is going to it will hurt us so much how corruption in impact service delivery nakora ki nekwa orugutoro ruraragambira rwandeza kubonera orwariyo ko sustain for 20 years we last for 5 years. Hati beyazini ya guromormo is not qualified. He has a fake documents. Will he operate a person?
Of course he
wants to. Someone carries in the bank in cardiac vascular disease. Or you have panje umuntu akoresha will cause death. Corruption has so many umuntu ya judgment mu court. Umuntu bakwiba uriyo wamutabaza yaguromara uharuzinga case. You have lost property. Corruption is totally bad. So you fight corruption, don't be corrupt.
Should we say that the solution to corruption is marching to parliament?
Solution to corruption is not marching to parliament. Actually, the president made the quote on X.
That
if at all the marching was patriotic, was organized, was peaceful,
I would be the first
involved with the police and the forces. I would be part of the march, of the campaign.
Yeah.
So that means infringements ebe inenankeje ebe no emitendera yokugira ngo ebe tari iki marching parliament was not the solution to corruption.
Yeah.
So let me tell you I myself gaga kana kagamba how I can curb or reduce corruption. Actually let me speak as a councillor, as a representative of the people of Chunda to the nation.
Yeah.
Number one, if I'm to fight corruption, I would go whistleblowing. Whistleblowing is exposing the corrupt. It is an intention of the right of freedom of expression.
Whistleblowing, no
exposing. Whistleblowing, no kugira kama nshobora gente chihinyai. It is expressing. It is exposing the what? The corrupt. By expressing the right of freedom. Constitution nepicheza gamba kuchimwecho.
Yeah. Freedom of speech.
You have freedom. You watch stating that you have freedom of speech. Gamba buri chimwecho ne chukora chukura no yende chukugasa. So now, why are open to national banks are saying and you have evidence and proof. Whistleblow. Cause Arab. Gambera echukwata. The best option among government agencies, if somebody is corrupt, public offices, the option is IGG and IG office. Office of the internal it is the IG, inspectorate of the government. Tijina Hambara, it sits there and cover cruise. Yeah, Western. Izano yuruka ojirote no man, speaker wa shema akakwatagana na gaga bagise nakana. Whistleblow, raise a voice. Then your area and agency being accountable of allegation is about correct, is about to take up. That is number one, whistleblowing. Number two, criminalize money laundering. Beanzini wanodomoro watayaka sent. Basho mefutani tinayi.
Nyo watayo.
Iwe yatayichito. And you are it kurwanisa corruption. You are no more. Kungito turimo kurwanisa corruption. Inefutani tinayi. Kazabi ayakachi. Criminalize money laundering. Echakashatu. Assad declaration. Abebe mbizabingi. Rutukusini komparani. Because the dubious deals. So kugira ngo umuntu nazo parliament just for 5 years. Akorobwiga by'emyaka 10.
Kwa parliament hariyo deals nyingi.
People make dubious deals. I'm telling you. Niko kwa kubano no dealing in gold. Or in gold ya 1 trillion. Urikumanya ngo you're dealing in false and fake market. However, it is not a legal market to trade gold. Atko yawo jino munju omusha yakutahira. Ati chacha atomno kuza gold that can't speak. When the trillion ya gold. Okajo 30 no man. You can call million rand. Kanko gold ya 100 billions. Uwande Kenya wangu. Mshaka yana akajana na billionaires just in a single night. People are making billions out of corruption. So now, if I'm the IGG, or if I'm seated in the IGG's office, if I'm to raise a voice, and at least public servants, abantu abaryumana mu government offices, badikira rigo bw'abana.
Kauro USA niko kiri haruho watakurenga.
Takurenga.
Bajangu ngo bubwiga bwa kagwe uzihire
hataga mahanga yukano ubikora. Because bakureba sende zacuminating account yawe freeze the money.
They ask you
where have you got all this money?
You spend like
this. You are here.
Why are you having this?
We are here seated on an interview. Nimbaza bali ya ndikwenda nanye nanto ndabi ha political race. Twice the interview. Jire anza check I have money, excess money. Za banka yanje kusindikira million 5. Za direct in account and it is okay with you.
And they don't even ask.
They don't ask. You go there with the road. Why does the bank hold the money? Ikabuza beyazini. Sentence was here. That's how good developed countries fight what? Corruption. Asserting declarations. Umuntu wena kumanyo bwiga bwe. Then chende nyokana as a government, government I implore it kugira ngo ekore awareness raising campaign zo mba just umuntu n'abantu corrupt forms of corruption ziha kandi bipaka disadvantages of corruption which and how can we fight corruption just abantu abantu bomba fight corruption is matching hata wabuza karemba matching most of them wabuza what is the impact of the match umbaja mtu wane sawa ubwembi wabuza there is no any other alternative of fighting corruption bagini it was the only alternative ishakandi training and capacity building okushomesa abahangu kugira ngo bamwembe zamba twegesa akuba bingi tubakumanya forms za corruption kuna nishoborera abantu bamanye ibihe bite kuretera institute yaba corrupt kandi ikihe cya leta wakora kiteke kuretera waba corrupt transparency abantu biregwa amazo the moment wo inamazo mamutuma I'm telling you there is you never be corrupt merit
ababedini niho binire kutaha
one are praying by merit. Are you qualified? Go there, compete. If you qualify, win. In a race of other people who are in the race. So, Boa Mazuma, they can't have a Mazuma to come on. Mutia which to can you deny? There is no young to get. I told you to Rakatita around to Yamahu, no container, now Kayaka. No container. So let's Jiramazuma into Yavan to keep up when our attacking the corruption. Rusty. Each was a cool gamba, no penalty on corruption. Mutia, Noreva, bigger countries, over quarter or corrupt, but they wait for your prison for 24 hours. On top of it, Bakuyaho assets out. On top of it, Bafrizing accounts out. So ushanga you cannot enough quality corruption. Konka Uganda, someone cannot be penalized. Actually, the few are penalizing. Konka ina mutoba quarter corrupt, and he's proud of it. Kajati nywenyi negamba no kile choko is very proud.
So
your pride niyo twinikuyaho heavy penalties be zitekwa abantu bayi ababanda abantu corrupt and fight corruption in this country.
Yes, all right, mwe bari munonga abantu batureba kurga twatangira series really twaganira kandi twija kansara ni byinji byo kutwegesa corruption, human rights n'ibindi byo natwe
tabura uri umwemvezi mwe
teza ko kweta
kuna yo muzikata kutira ko tomato mere
kashi kunemba kwino ureba kwino ukuyari izoba ekitwakoreraho biringwa tontunda tubanze tumanye ogo muntu kansara gaga nuwo kongo utomanya najaguma garuke adere byatwegesaho tugambere government ineyoki so na nimwe abacunda na nanse ndijo bakubona batureba mufunire mawe. Otherwise thank you for your time kandi no basakutwereza bigambo bya muheru tusibura bakutureba
abaturage ababaturiye ne bari kureba kandi ne bari kurikiza program yitu ya Nkore Media TV mujukunda you subscribe. This is my first time kokaniza gumaniza tuganira nshonga zihanga akaba nareba you a good panelist by the way bari kutukoze ikintu cyamani kandi hamizaho
custom twatera gukora ni producer wanje agumire na
so now nani abantu mwena nindebaza mwe bari kureba kandi mwe bari gukura uitwe nkabere mbezo ya here to present you muteka mu BSG itwentiza kubesiga isharo represent very perfectly kandi na no bwire bwa karuro mu bwika because next year bakatanga primary so abantu mereka tuzane politics z'amazuma kandi stariza kuzimerana tuzane mature politics tari kandi nabembeze banje ni mbeshengereza ndanti let's coordinate with people how can be narebere banywana banje there are some boys of mine they are politically strategic bagamba shonga zachi za politics bari babakomere sana naka let's see we leaders let's harmonize and at least tolerate such a people kugira ngo we can sit on a round table discuss politics as a mature atar mo bwitangi yanga tana koma kushanga no koma mutahi wawe let's pray good and fair politics. I wish you a happy political season coming next year and when I come niweka kanwa kagamba gaga kachi bora hindize I post you on please stick baya good representative kandi yo monto wanyu musigazo wanyu niza kubajurekerage the far the better and the better the position the better the services.
Wow, thank you tukubasa kurenga Kansara kandi webare for your time n'abantu batureba. Thank you so much Asuman Savage behind the camera na Sakarani Beyazini ZDJ Serebu Wambarara mwebare kunshaberanye ni iPhone 13.